cannot quite believe where I am right now. This is a massive, massive dream of mine to be here, and it is so surreal. What's going on, guys? My name is Ben and welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, you join me in the legendary Lamborghini Museum. There are some crazy cars here, some crazy rare cars, and I'm just freaking out. I am such a Lamborghini fanboy. So what I'm going to do in this video is take you on a little whistle-stop tour of the cars that are here, whilst I try and contain my excitement. So this is the top floor of the Lamborghini Museum. Downstairs they have some classics, things like that. There's a very nice Diablo which I've shown in the B-roll. Not really sure where to start. It's quite crazy. I think we'll start to the left and work our way around. Over here we have this incredible looking Miura. This is so nice. What a classic. And you can actually just notice, you can see the engine in the cabin, which is quite nice. Obviously a very iconic car for Lamborghini. And it's so nice to see one here. Absolutely beautiful. Insane. And it's actually an SV, which I didn't realise. Very nice. I'm going to be honest, not actually sure what that is. Oh, it's an SVJ? Miura SVJ? I didn't even know this existed. That's crazy. It's like a race car. Got like a little fuel thing on the bonnet and all the rivets. Something, you know, that's very iconic, isn't it? The air intake around the back. Yeah, that's quite interesting to see the two together. Over here, everyone knows, the Diablo SV. Very nice wheels on this, look. Christ almighty. Wow. Very nice spec, black. Well, it's not black, it's kind of, what, grey? Grey-y purple? With orange piping inside, kind of to match the small SV logos on the wheels, OZ Racing wheels. It's just so crazy to see. They're so wide. Oh my god, imagine seeing that coming at you from behind. You'll absolutely poo yourself. This is kind of my era, a Murcielago SV. These are very rare now, finished in a beautiful orange, and this is just crazy. Very nice interior, carbon, nice carbon tunnel, massive wing, as you'd expect on a Lamborghini. They don't do anything subtle, do they? That is insane. I absolutely love that. And then this is quite cool to see. From all the photos of this car being tested and the videos when they released the Aventador SVJ, they've actually got the car here, which is quite interesting really to see. I actually really like the wrap. Yeah, it's a very interesting design. This is obviously to hide it from the cameras. And wow, look at that seat. Crazy. Wow. And I've got all the original kill switches in there from the testing, which is insane. And then over there, the actual production model of the SVJ. In a kind of greeny yellow. I'm not really fluent on my Lamborghini colours, but yes, wow. And look at those seats. Very nice. Love that. Very glittery. Wow, that wing. I actually believe this is my first SVJ I have seen in the flesh. Doesn't it look great? Oh my god, look at them. Can I? Yes, they are massive. And that rear diffuser, wow. Oh my god. I am so blown away. So blown away. And here, of course, a classic Urus. I actually really like these. I think they're cool. This kind of needs no introduction really, does it? It's the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, based on the Gallardo. Oh my god, I'm freaking out here. Got some nice pictures. I'm just blown away. These aren't even road legal. I don't even know if I've seen one of these ever. It's crazy. I've only seen one in photos. But seeing one in the flesh, the whole carbon body, there's basically no interior. Those mirrors, wow. And a Performante over there. Oh my god. One of 20, I believe, Lamborghini Reventon coupes ultra rare and insane to see in the flesh. Again, I've probably seen one of these in my life. Just insane, isn't it? This was based on the Murcielago. Just a complete different animal, sorry. So many angles, so aggressive, so many sharp lines. But arguably the best car in here. Wow, the Veneno with an ultra aggressive front splitter. This one did actually come to London. I didn't get to make it, unfortunately, but they took this one out of the museum and took it all the way to London, which is amazing. Look at that. Wow. Wow, that's so aggressive. This thing is massive. I'm trying to take photos of it on my phone, but I just can't get it all in. It's just huge. Wow, I think that for me is the best car here. Not gonna lie. Then over here we have a full carbon bodied Centenario coupe. These are also incredibly rare. I can't quite remember how many they made, but I know it definitely wasn't right up there. It's not a mass produced car. I know you can tell that just by looking at it. It is something special. Full carbon body, incredible carbon wheels, massive intakes there for the radiators. Jesus Christ. Can't see. I haven't got a polarizer. Whoops. Ooh. Yeah, I'm freaking out. So being here is an absolute dream come true. It is crazy. I could spend all day in here, it's mental. And I think over here we have the very famous Instagram photo, really. They've mounted a Aventador Roadster on the wall. So I'm gonna get the typical Instagram photo for that. Done then in the Lamborghini Museum. I cannot get over the crazy cars that were in there. Absolutely mind-blowing. Today is an absolute long-time dream of mine. Not only have I visited my favourite supercar manufacturer, I am now leaving the factory to head over to Monaco. I have wanted to visit Monaco for around 12 years now, and I am finally doing so, and in my own car. How special is that? So we have around 5 hours of driving to do. I will stop waffling and we need to hit the road and make up some good time so we have as much time as possible whilst we are there.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.
Fast forward then 5 or so hours and we have made it to our accommodation whilst we are here in Monaco. The view is not only breathtaking and unbelievable, but so is the property we are staying in tonight. It is an Airbnb and it's just crazy fancy. We have a pool. Hopefully it warms up slightly so we can go in. If not, I will probably just jump in anyway. I am on holiday. We have a really nice sunbathing area here with a kind of outdoor relaxed chill place there with a rocking chair and a sofa. Over here, the insane pool, and then through there the house is massive. Absolutely massive. Our room, mine and Joel's room for example, has around 3 rooms within a room. It's huge and that view is just something to behold. I cannot wait to see the sunset here. I cannot wait to wake up to this view in the morning. This is incredible. This place is unbelievably mind-blowing. We did have to come up some tight and very sketchy roads to get up here, but we are here. I think the plan now is we will head over to Monaco, which is around 20 minutes, I believe, in that direction. Grab some food, and I will bring my camera out and just film whatever I can see. This is my first time in Monaco. I know roughly what to expect through seeing pictures on Instagram and in YouTube videos and that in the past. So I'm buzzing really, I can't wait. I think we shall go now. So down in Monaco, this place is utterly mind-blowing. A pista is just there on display, and a guy casually... Wow! Oh, look at an R8 V10. Wow! So that pista was just casually parked, having a Rolls-Royce Phantom 8 just pulled up, super casual.
Mental.
Guys jumped out. What are you doing here?
This is mental.
Just casually, I just jump out my Rolls-Royce Phantom, no big deal. Oh, what? Oh! DBS. Look at that mouth.
Very, very sexy.
Wow, so far...
Lost count then already.
So far, Monaco has not disappointed. You literally drive down any street, around every corner is some kind of supercar just casually chilling. We've done a couple of laps around here. It was so surreal to do the hairpins on the famous F1 racetrack. And yeah, I'm quite looking forward to spending a couple of days here. If this is just day one, then what else am I going to see? Then guys, the end of day 4 of our amazing Euro road trip. We are finishing up in Monaco. We are currently in the marina, surrounded by some super yachts, which are crazy to see. They are massive in real life, cannot quite believe it. We are just doing some night photography shots of the car. I just wanted to thank today's sponsor, which is Cardamons. Cardamons provide easy access to dedicated development teams in India, allowing companies to control their own resources. I will leave all of their details down below in the description. If you feel like checking them out, then be sure to do so. But anyway, that is it from me guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed filming it. Make sure you stay tuned for plenty of upcoming content on the trip, and if you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you do not miss out on any content. Tomorrow I am going to go around Monaco for the very first time in the proper daylight, and just do some general exploring, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and again make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching.